Construction progress Barcelona new stadium, Spotify Camp Nou. First off, let's talk about the external expansions. The new infrastructure work around the stadium is well underway. This includes new foundation work that is crucial for supporting the extended areas outside the stadium. It's clear that the development is moving swiftly as these foundational elements are being reinforced and expanded to accommodate the upcoming structures. Moving on to the exterior steel framework, we can now see the emergence of the new upper stands. These stands, although still in the early stages, already showcase the future layout. The initial steps have been installed, leading to a public walkway that extends from this new steel framework. This tongue-shaped extension is designed to become a crucial part of the new spectator pathways, adding a modern twist to the stadium's design. Inside the stadium, major changes are equally visible. A large portion of the old, worn-out lower stands has been dismantled, and in their place, new concrete bases are being laid. This lower tier, which consists of 9 steps, is now completely separated from the upper level, ensuring better structural integrity and spectator experience. Soon, the next phase will involve installing the new concrete stands on these fresh bases. In addition to these upgrades, significant repairs are being made to the older upper tiers of the stadium. The aged concrete sections are being meticulously replaced with materials that match the strength and durability of reinforced concrete. This process, which involves stages of meticulous restoration and curing, is essential to preserve the structural integrity of the upper stands. On the construction front, the pace is truly remarkable. Both internal and external areas of Camp Nou are bustling with activity. Each part of the project is moving forward simultaneously, and the speed at which this is happening is promising. If everything continues at this rate, we are optimistic about completing a substantial portion of the stadium by the end of this year. That's it for today's update. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on this incredible project. Thanks for watching, and until next time.